Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new Chef Day video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Thank you very much for checking today's video out. And today's a little bit of a special video. I know some of you guys in the comment section are going to be like, Dave, it's extremely very early for you to be doing a video like this. But there's reasons to my madness, so let's get on with it. Today, on Friday the 17th of August 2018, the Magic Kingdom is going to be having the first Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. And with that occasion, I thought I'd dedicate this video to Halloween. So the Magic Kingdom has been transformed into the Halloween season with all the decorations, and guests tonight are going to be experiencing the great shows from Hocus Pocus show, the Boo to You parade, Hallow Wishes and Nighttime Spectacular, and also people getting their hands on all the candy spots that are available throughout the whole of Magic Kingdom. So with that, I'm going to be making for you guys 2 Halloween inspired Rice Krispie Treats, one that you can get at Walt Disney World and another one you can actually get at Disneyland California. I thought I'd kind of mix it up a little bit, show you guys some other options. So for the full recipe, the links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy the video. guys, these are the two Rice Krispie Treats that I've made for you. So you've got Oogie Boogie and you've got the Mickey Mouse, but with a mummy inspired for the Halloween season. Super easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, just click the button just here, and I'll leave 2 videos here for you guys to check out. And thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.